So hello everyone, today we are making a creamy cilantro sauce. The inspiration for this recipe comes from Vichin sauce, which we really like, but we often don't have it on hand, and we also like to have our sauce without oil. So here's what we came up with. The ingredients for this are a cup of almonds which have been soaked, a third of a bunch of cilantro, I have rinsed these, a whole lemon, a whole jalapeno, 4 cloves of garlic. We have a tablespoon of nutritional yeast, a pinch of coriander, and salt to taste. Okay, so to start with, I'm going to rinse the almonds that have been soaking here. Add into the blender. I'm going to break up the cilantro into the blender. And I will add some water up to the level of the ingredients in the blender. Is that good? And then I'll prep the rest of the ingredients. So just roughly slice the jalapeno since it's going to be blended. The lemon. I'm going to squeeze out the lemon. And then peel the garlic. So I'll collect the nutritional yeast with the coriander and some salt. Add it all to the blender along with the lemon, jalapeno, and garlic, and then we blend. So blend to a sauce. So here's what we have. Now we'll set this in the refrigerator for an hour. If you use it as it is, you could use it as a dressing, but after setting it in the refrigerator for an hour, it would be better used as a spread or a dip.
Okay, yeah.